hide in the flower pot, are we? It's Poison Tuesday. Anyways, you all saw the disclaimer. So, yeah, follow that. As promised, today we're going to talk about the difference between poison and venom. And, things like that. There's one common rule that toxicologists kind of give. Sorry, if it bites you and you die, it's venom. If you bite it and you die, it's probably poison. So yeah, that's a pretty good rule. In nature, venom is used in snakes to like bite things, kill their prey, stuff like that. But poison is mainly used for defense against those predators. So yeah, you got things like the poison dart frog that their venom kind of focuses on, well, their poison focuses on stopping their predators by stunning them, eventually getting to important parts of their body so they die. Well, their main difference usually lies in how they're administered to a person or a predator or a prey. They do have a chemical difference that actually makes poison and venom two different substances. First of all, venom is bigger molecules. That's a pretty big thing, especially when it comes to how it's administered. Usually venom has to get in your bloodstream in order for it to be effective. And the venom is also usually a compound of multiple different chemicals and substances that build up, connect, and form a venom. While poison, on the other hand, is usually a more simple, more grounded, or singular substance that is administered through anything, including just physical touch. If both of these were in like a syringe you had to inject, venom would have to be in a syringe to inject into your bloodstream, but poison would just be more effective if it was injected into you with a syringe. So if you're poisoned, or you get bitten by snakes and therefore you have venom, something like that, the most effective thing to do is drive to a hospital, okay? Like, all those poison kits, those things Farmer Bob makes down the road, ineffective. Anyways, things like that, the suction cups that try to take the venom out from wherever your bite is, something like that, it's just like, it removes about 2% of the venom, experts say, and actually damages your tissue more than the bite or injection usually does. And yeah, not all venom or poison is 100% gonna kill you, but a medical professional should be consulted. If you do have a kit on hand, or a DIY kit on hand, a Sharpie, permanent marker, something, is very good to circle around where the swelling is originally, because this really helps medical professionals identify what it is that could spread quickly or not as quickly, depending on what it is. There's, for very, very specific substances, you can take a charcoal capsule that will slightly slow the movement of the poison or venom, but only in specific cases with specific substances, so it's not 100% reliable. There is no legal on-hand personnel carry anti-venom, especially because things like that usually have to be stored in refrigerators. It's a prescription, depending on the exact poison that has been injected.